Yeah, yeah.
Oh!
So there.
I'm shooting, but I don't see anybody. Screen's too blurry. I don't know if I hit him there. He's behind the box. Or he was. As long as he doesn't log. I don't see him now. 20 online, but...
We're gonna have dogs and everything here.
Right, he's at the front.
I'm going on the back now.
I hit him once. He's gone round the back. He's gone round the back.
I can get him if he comes.
Yeah,
I've got a dog coming for me though. Oh, I've just seen him then. He's in the middle. He's in the actual building,
right,
you know, cutting through.
Alright, the dog is down. Right, don't worry about the dog.
Bears. Shit, I'm dead. He's getting on the roof, he's stood on the pipeline.
Fuck.
There he is. See him, getting on my shit. Sneak up on him now, See him running about with my stuff. Right behind the garage.
Right, I saw.
He's at the front, is where the car is. He's running round.
Down.
You got him, yeah?
Yeah, he's down. Wait. Okay, right, the other way. Run down the road, yeah?
I'm in the middle of the road. I'm up the other end, not where the helicopter is.
Yeah, I see you.
The dog's just bit me. Can you get it?
Hang on. Fuck! The dog biting me.
Get it again. You get it, yeah.
I think so. I just heard somebody run beside me. That's what made me stop.
He's behind Jeremy, he's over there, he's behind the bus stop, yeah. He's behind the bus stop waiting, stashed.
Yo, what's your name? Relax. Don't go near your stuff and you're okay. Wait until we go. Wait until we go and you can go back.
Behind, blood.
Yeah. Can you speak English?
Behind, man.
Bear.
What the fuck?
The bear.
Behind.
The bear.
Where?
Shit, I'm dead.
Where?
The bear got me on the back of the garage.
Oh shit.
I'm friendly, guys.
I know.
Yo.
You got attack of the bears. Peace. Glasnost. Relax. I'm not gonna shoot you. Relax.
Behind, man. What the
I
fuck?
don't want to see you.
Come here. I'm not gonna shoot. Wait until we leave. Can you understand me? Jump in the air if you can. You know I can shoot you through the...
He's got a bike.
I can shoot you through the bus stop if I wanted to. Will I shoot him? Fuck him.
I'm coming in now. Round.
Good stuff. He's back.
There's a battery here. You might want to kill him.
No. Fuck off.
Kill him.
Yeah.
Is it?
Get in a
I'll get
helicopter.
stuff.
By the time we're in the air,
Yeah.
you'll be back at his stuff, and I'll have a shot at him from the helicopter for practice.
Yeah, we'll just do him again one more time. Chase him down where the doggy is. Be close
Oh,
by now.
what a shot! Oh, how fucking beautiful. Shot that dog.
You see it?
No, I can't see him, but I took Oh,
There he is. He's right there. I can see him. I got. I was firing at Is he there?
He's
Got him.
dead. He's outside. Outside silos. He's
Yeah, I think he hit once or twice, didn't you? I just get shot in the back. Yeah, I hit him twice. Yeah, he had some flashy pants on. Then I want to step down from the structure because I'll think it was an helicopter. I think I lost the helicopter anyway. I don't think I can get it.
Oh, what a charming things of battle! Oh, what a charming things of battle! Oh, what a charming things of battle! Trumpet sounding drums of beat.
There's a way out of the men's hall ground here.
Trumpet sounding drums of beat. Crack,
Yeah.
crick, crack, crack, crick, crack, the cannons rattle. Crack, crick, crack, the cannons rattle. Every heart rejoiced elating. Every heart rejoiced elating.
Yeah, what was that?
With what pleasure are we spotted from the front and from the rear, from the front and from the rear.
He's coming in the front because
Round
I
us
just had the dog targeted
Round
towards
us
the
in the smoky air. Heads and limbs and bullets flying, heads and limbs and bullets flying. Then the groans of soldiers dying. Then the groans of soldiers dying. Just like sparrows,
should be a fucking ladder on this one.
just like sparrows, as it were. At each pop, hundreds drop.
Well, I'm
At
not
each
fucking
pop, hundreds drop. Pop, drop, pop, drop. While the muskets rattle.
Oh shit!
While
Oh
the
shit!
muskets
I
rattle, rattle. Kill and wounded, knife and pounded.
Shit! I know the guys. There's a guy on top of the helipad. Shit! He's running down. He's running down. I got a shot off on him.
Joke of all is when to close attack we fall. But the present joke of all is when to close attack we fall. Like mad bulls each other butting, like mad bulls each other butting. Shooting, stabbing, aiming, cutting, shooting, stabbing, aiming, cutting. Horse and foot,
There
all
he
go
is,
to it.
there he is.
Horse and foot, all go to it. Kills the word for men and
I'll
cattle.
flood them again.
Kills the word for men and cattle. Into plunder, blood and thunder. A battle, what a charming thing's a battle, what
there
a
right
charming
now?
thing's
Two
a
of them.
battle.
He's dead. Salos.
Where's he gone?
One of them's dead. The other one's in the silos, and to the back of the silos. That's someone else, maybe.
Yeah. He's running round front.
I've got him.
Down. Is he down?
Don't know where he went. I think he logged.
No, he's here.
He disappeared. Or did he run? Did he run round? Yeah.
He's
I shot him in Bear Building. That was a different gun.
yeah. That was a guy in the back of silos. The bear and a dog went from. So he's either dead now, or he fired twice and ran.
There he is. There, I can see him jumping up. He was just jumping up on the wall. Then there's someone in Bear Building. I can hear him running about. There he is. There. You see his head?
No. Where are we looking?
He's in the silos. He's about to hop up on the wall right there, close to us. There he is.
Right, I saw an enemy sign, but. Hang
See
on.
him then?
Yeah, he's jumping up and trying to shoot at us.
I just killed him right from over here.
Shotgun guy.
No, the fresh spawn.
Alright. Shotgun guy is still.
Oh, I can see that guy there. He's in them little them little things. Stashed
Yeah,
there he is, running
right.
again. The dogs are on him. Classic.
Where's he
Yeah,
gone?
boy.
Which way's he gone?
He's right behind the wall. I can see his gun sticking up over the wall. Come on, wherever you are.
Oh shit, I had a headshot. I went too fast. I just seen him fire. I know where he is, but he's behind the wall.
We have dudes coming both ways, man. It's good shit.
Right, I'll keep an eye at front for a shotgun boy.
Right, you just look up front. I'm looking at back. I've
Yeah.
got back sorted. behind me. Oh, there he is. Killed him, he's on the hill.
Seen him
Killed him.
die. Seen him die. Nice.
Oh, I just seen a guy running down the side wall, he's trying to get to the tower. That was that guy who was behind the wall all that time with that white top on.
Did you get him?
Shooting everyone now.
Did you
Yeah,
just
he's
get
dead.
the guy with the... Here's somebody out the front.
Whereabouts? I see.
He's gone.
There's a guy in the silos, I can see him getting his shit. He's dead. Stuff, there's 3 dead bodies down here now.
Right.
Is that you
Who's
firing?
No. Somebody in the bushes there.
That's someone else with a sniper. There's a guy here. He's just gone through Bearville.
I got
and
him.
he had a cigarette.
He's down.
You get him.
Yeah, he had an M4. How's it
2
going?
guys, two naked guys trying to go to say shit nearly. They're stashed down the wall.
By
Neither
the
of them can do it.
armory.
Just, yeah.
Right,
Can't really get in there. but-
I'll keep an eye on that guy's bag. Fucking king of the hill.
There's another guy at the back over there. I've seen him run down there, but he's got more SAS. Oh no, he logged anyway. 19.
Yeah,
Oh,
be careful they don't relog. Silo. The fuck is that coming from?
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm looking over there. Close. Right in front.
Oh
of
right,
Silo.
yeah. Shit, missed. He's gone into silo.
Oh, I see him, yeah. The dogs are all doing him in while you're doing him in. When he steps in them silos, I'll have him. When he steps further in, I'll have him.
He's right on me, but he just can't get me with the wood. He's around the front. There he is.
Yeah,
Good-
now I can
good.
see him.
Good shot, man. Down.
Got him there. Yeah.
Yeah. Fair play to him. Did you hear the dog going mad in the mess hall?
No. But
Could
it's
it
tough
be-
shit for him anyway, because they can't do nothing from there except for him get up in that tower behind us.
M4 dude. M4 guy in
Where?
the mess. In the mess.
There's not a lot he can do in there unless he starts coming through walls.
Just be careful, he's down in the mess. He could be coming through the wall if he has an axe.
Right.
I got a shot at him. He should be dead, really, with that shot, because all I could see was his head. Right, he's trying to get us.
He's on the floor down there.
Yeah. If he goes back a little bit, he's dead.
God, I want to get him so bad. I can actually drop down there and get him, but I'll hurt myself dropping down.
Oh, he got me! How the fuck did he get me? How did he
It's
shoot
alright,
me?
I killed him.
Fucking prick. Who you
I
doing
killed him
spawning in
anyway.
with an M4, you mug?
Лута нету, вот.
Fuck
Yeah.
your M4, dickhead. I'll get you a carbine, bitch.
Ruski cheat. Ruski cheetah. Cheetah Ruski. Fuck, right behind. He's standing still. There's a guy. Did he just get
Whoa,
you?
I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah. What's that out there? That cunt there. Can't see him. I can see all my stuff there as well on the other side.
Oh, how did he
Someone's
shoot me? How did he fucking
He's in the-
shoot?
he's either in the bear tower.
Yeah, he's in the tower. He's in the build. With a scope.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's firing at me now. I need to run and get down.
Fuck. Behind you! Behind you!
Oh
it-
shit, I shouldn't have stepped out.
Nah.
I'd have seen him there, I'd have thought I'd kill him real quick, and there was a guy with M4 behind me,
Yeah,
obviously.
right behind you. He's not taking your. Oh,
You're there, yeah. Not spoken, but I think that's his mate up there, innit? Then it's gotta be. Maybe. No. Is that
yeah,
firing-
he's shooting
firing
at me.
him again?
He's shooting at me.
I'm right below the prick. Holding the build above.
Right.
I'm
See if
running
I should be able to get in this side. He's shooting at me.
I'm running in. Guy stole my shit, man. The dog right in it. Fucker. Yeah.
It's got a scope and everything on it.
That.
That's me shooting a guy in hill. I made him move at least.
that was
Is he
firing
shooting at
me.
you?
All my SKs. Yeah. Yeah. 1 minute, I'll try. Oh, he's just fucking killed me right at the doorway. There he is, look.
Oh, I ran out of bullets. He's down.
There you go. Whereabouts to you? Did you start going over there or you were here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.